Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make caramel drizzle. This easy method uses basic ingredients you likely have on hand, creating a rich, smooth sauce perfect for any dessert. You'll be surprised how quickly you can whip up this delicious topping, elevating your treats with a homemade touch. Let's get started. Before we begin, gather all your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and half a cup of heavy cream. Don't forget a small pinch of salt to really make the flavors pop. Having everything ready makes the process smooth. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. On another note, upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life so much easier. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. First, combine your sugar and water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan over medium heat. Let it cook without stirring until it turns a beautiful amber color. Next, carefully add the 6 tablespoons of butter, whisking constantly until it's fully melted. Finally, slowly pour in the warm heavy cream, stirring until your caramel is smooth and thick. Remove from heat and stir in the salt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.